Now let's look at that same exact process, but in reverse. Here we are with data in the pivoted format, and we are going to unpivot this data. So you'll notice that we have the 4 attribute columns in addition to the column representative of the flower species. Here we are in the same pivot node, except we have now selected the unpivot option. We then go ahead and select the columns which we want to combine under a single column. So that's sepal length, width, petal length, and petal width. We would like to keep species the same. And then we give a name for the aggregate column. So we want to combine all of these columns under a column called measurement. And then we want to take their value and we want to place them in a column called value. Go ahead and preview this data set, and now we can see that we've actually successfully performed the unpivot and combined those columns across rows underneath a measurement and value column. Just like our other data set, we're able to output this to any format. In this case, it happened to be an Excel file. So that's how you go from unpivoted data to pivoted data and back.